pretty cool trick I've learned a long time ago, and it has something to do with snapping fingers. I can snap my fingers to sound like a horse is galloping, and once I show you, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to snap your fingers and sound like a horse is galloping. Here we go. It sounds like a horse is galloping, but what I do is I go like snap, snap, boom. Snap, snap, boom. Snap, snap, boom. Snap, snap, boom. So, if you put that together, that'll get you your horse galloping, which turns out to be this. I hope this video was fun for you guys, where I did a little tutorial on how to snap my fingers to sound like a horse is galloping. You guys can learn that too, because it's a really fun thing. I saw a family friend do this. From watching him doing that, I taught myself how to do that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smash the like button. And thank you guys for watching. And if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big.